NASDAQ this week has rise in value, but the week has started with falling in value, and we can see how the week has started with strong bearish candle. The price has gone below 70,600 and going all the way to 70,300 support level. From there the price tried to go up, form this indecision candle on the Wednesday. Then on a Thursday the price formed this bullish candle that has gone above, and then on a Friday another strong bullish candle that has gone also above, returning the price almost inside this uptrend channel. But the price has reached also almost 18,000 as a resistance level and confluence of resistance. We can see that here on the weekly time frame. After the price has formed this bearish candle, this is a bearish breakout, the price has formed this bullish candle, indicating as moving in the opposite direction because it was a failed bearish breakout, and then the price returned back down all the way to this support and then continued to rise in value, which is a confirmation of the previous analysis. Now on the monthly time frame we can see how this looks. The previous month has closed as a bearish candle and it has gone below 18,000, which is a resistance, a support level. And then the price has formed currently this resistance level at 18,000, where the price has come very close this week. So on the monthly time frame it's very hard to make any prediction because we can see it was a strong bullish momentum where we have only first month that has closed as a bearish one. Now we have continuation of that. But this is also a small indication for the price that there is some kind of a sellers here and also loss of the momentum of the buyers. So we'll see on the lower time frames how the price behaves, but on the monthly time frame we can see the price is still in the strong uptrend. Now what we can make a conclusion here on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has reversed this bearish momentum and it is currently in the bullish one, but it is in front of the very strong important resistance level, which is a confluence of resistance at 18,000. Now first level and also the first step in order to see the price going above again in the buying mode is this 18,000 resistance level that price needs to make needs to be broke in order to continue to rise in value, and this is on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame we can see how this looks. The price is just here at the great support resistance level. We can see it here, which will be very hard for the price to break because we can see this is a confluence of resistance. We have a horizontal line and we have the uptrend trend line that is now acting as a resistance level. So in order to see that, the price needs to make a breakout above, just like in this case here where the price has gone above and continue to rise in value. And this is something that I'm waiting to see here, because on the weekly time frame this was indication that the price could continue to rise in the opposite direction, and we can see how this has closed. Now if the price stays here, it could move sideways, just like in this case where the price is bouncing back down, going up, trying to make a breakout and finally make that breakout happening. And then this is something that we could see on this case in the next week. So whenever the price reaches this area around this price level, the price bounces back down. So this is also possible to see a scenario in the next week. I'm expecting to see the price coming here to 18,000 and then bouncing back down at least around this price level, which will be around 17,880, which is the first support level for the price between these two price levels. So if something changes on the market, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.